What's up, beautiful babes? It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Can you believe I'm here with a makeup look? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Listen, I'm just starting out with this face of mine. It's already been cleansed and thoroughly washed, etc. I use my vitamin E and also some sunscreen today. All of these products will be linked in the description box for your informational use, and the links are there so you can go right to it. Now these wipes, I love these face wipes. They're from Dollar Tree and they are my favorite. Yes, they are. Just wiping the oils out of my brows and going in with my favorite eyebrow pencil. It's a Rimmel London all day long for me. I love these pencils. I do if I'm going to use a pencil. I love these most of all. This shade is dark brown, and honey, they do me just right. I think it's the perfect color for my brows. And then I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in light ivory to just etch out those brows, clean them up, and get them ready to put on my eyeshadow. I also use this as somewhat like an eyeshadow base, and just kind of knock out two birds with one stone. How about that? I'm just blending it in right now. Y'all, it's been a minute, I know. It's been a minute, and I'll try not to stay away too long. Now, this is the Adeline Maureen Eye and Cheek Palette from Tarte. Y'all may recall, like some time ago, I actually won $500 in makeup from Tarte. I could not believe it. I was so excited. And y'all, I'm still loving those items that I got, because you know what, I really have not done much shopping. The only thing that I purchase now is mainly necessities like mascara. I also purchase eyeliner, and what else? Really nothing else. Really nothing else. You know, my brow pencils if I've run out of that. But other than that, I just use what I have. So that's why I really don't do a lot of makeup looks and tutorials, because I'm not up with the latest products. I don't do it. It's expensive. As you can see, this palette was $39, I believe. And it's currently $35 now. So I was lucky to win this palette. And I just don't do a lot of shopping with the makeup side of things anymore. I just kind of built up my collection, and honey, I continue to use my old products. That's where I go to. So if you still want any makeup looks with the old stuff, just let me know. Drop a like on the video. So when I finish my eyeshadow, this is my favorite eyeliner now. I love the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. This one I know should be waterproof and suit me just perfectly, because y'all know I love waterproof. Just as you saw that mascara pop up, this mascara is by Maybelline Falsies. It is my favorite to date. And the one and only lash glue for me is Lash XO Lashes. It is perfect because it's waterproof, and I get it right from Amazon. Love it, absolutely love it. Now just putting on the lashes. Y'all know I do my lashes. I put my glue on like eyeliner and snap on the lashes just like so. Very simple, very easy for me. My foundation of choice today is the Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation. This is in Tan Deep Sand. And I've had this one for a minute, so I assume the shades are still the same, which I pulled it from the website, and up here it worked out perfectly. Yes, honey, and I'm carrying on with this thing. Just trying to make it happen today. It's been a minute, but I got it covered, I do believe. Now this eyeshadow stick I've had for a minute from Avon, and it's no longer available, so I did not add it in the list. So now we're nearing the end. I am now putting on my blush and bronzer and highlighter using this super cute palette from Tarte. It is the Pro Palette. Love it. Contoured my nose with the sculpting stick. And this Pro Glow blush palette. I mean, this one, oh, I think I use it every time I do my makeup. I have not put it down hardly since I got it. And y'all, my eyes are watering so bad. I don't know what it is. Allergies, I suppose. And this protein and olive oil grow healthy hair stuff. It's a mousse. I love it, y'all. My hair, it does my hair so good. Even when I wave it around, whatever style, it loves. I mean, it does what it needs to do, let me tell you. Now, this is the Color Splurge Color Stick by Black Opal. Yes, relatively new product with them. I'm finished. Thank y'all so much for checking it out. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's been so long since I did one of these. I thank you all so much for hanging out with me today for this Get Ready With Me mature makeup look. This is how I do my makeup, you know, and only because I'm mature. It's not set in stone for everybody, but hey, whatever is whatever. Leave a comment, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe, and share your girl with your world. Enjoy the music, and if you want it, check out the link below from Epidemic Sound. Yes, love the music from them. You can go ahead and start a subscription with them today. Wonderful music. See you later. Bye.